Give me a beat. So today's video is based on this tie and dye technique, and in case you're wondering what is this that I'm boiling, these are onion skin. I kind of wanted to try out natural dyes, so I selected onion and turmeric. I watched a couple of videos in YouTube on the process. So we basically had to boil the outermost layer from the onion to get the color. I boiled it for about 7 to 10 minutes and got this really beautiful color. Alright, so this is the t-shirt that we're gonna work with today. It's a very regular plain white t-shirt. It has these long full sleeves, and I washed it. It's still damp. I didn't allow it to dry. So the pattern that I want is these lengthwise stripes of two colors basically. I want this ombre-ish kind of effect. So I'll not go on with the traditional crumpling method. I'll just lay it out flat and I will crumple it lengthwise, like very randomly, but I want it to be lengthwise. So this is how I'm gonna do it. Yeah, very simple. Now I'll just tie it out bits of it using wool. Yeah, so it's done. I'll use a plate just so that I don't mess up the table, and I'll simply just pour it out. So I was a little skeptical if I should add this part in the video. This natural dye thing was a total flop, but then I thought since I did it, I might as well show it to you guys. I really can't understand where did I go wrong, but let me know in case you guys have tried it before and know the correct method for this. Alright, so the onion dye part is done. I would not say I'm very happy with the color. I expected it to be more pinker or maybe purplish rather than this dirty yellowish color. But I really hope that once it dries out, it gives a little better color than what it looks right now. So I'll leave it aside and I'll start with the next dye. I have chosen turmeric powder for the next color. At least I know it will be much better than the previous one. It's a really bright yellow color. So yeah, this is done. I'll keep it out for drying now. I really hope this color turns out much better than it looks right now. But nevertheless, if it does not turn out the color that I expect, and if it does stay this way, I will definitely hamper it with my own colors. I will not stand this with this shade of yellow. I am pretty happy with the yellow, but not at all with this. So let's dry it for now and let's see how it turns out. I'll just keep it in the sun for now. I kept it in the sun for about 4 to 5 hours. As you can see, it is still damp and I really didn't have any more patience or time, and I was pretty sure it was a complete flop by now. I threw away this masterpiece for one full day. The next day I somehow convinced myself to give it another shot with fabric colors. I chose red and yellow colors and I repeated the same process all over again. Finally, I also altered the neckline a bit. The V-neck kind of felt a little out of fashion, so I made it one shoulder and I really loved the way it looked finally. This was a very lightweight DIY and I suggest everyone to try it out at least once in their lifetime. And since there was no stitching involved here, I had a lot of extra time which I spent in editing and preparing this show, where all I do is show off my brand new top. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, bell button, and also drop a little heart in the comment section. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video.
1, 2, 3, you put your eyes on me. 5, 5, 6, and my feelings are mixed. 7, 8, 9, I just follow the signs. 10, kiss me in the rain. 1, 2, 3, you're too blind to see. 4, 5, 6, that I'm taking the risk. 7, 8, 9, I just follow the line. 10, kiss me in the rain. Children, we're just children. Play with me. 1, 2, 3, you put your eyes on me. 5, 5, 6, and my feelings are mixed. 7, 8, 9, I just follow the signs. 10, kiss me in the rain.